Dudes, what's up? We are ever closer to, well, there's a lot of stuff on the lens of that camera. This camera's almost finished. A lot closer to getting the 240 down to Kiwi performance. Now, all the stuff that when I got the tire machine, all the other benches and all that other stuff, Jay from Kiwi decided that he's gonna take it. So I'm gonna bring that down there as soon as he has room. It's supposed to be tonight, but it looks like it's gonna be the weekend. And then right after that, we bring the 240. I'm gonna try to tie it up as much as I can tonight. It's that transmission sitting on the bench. I figure maybe give that a coat of paint. Then I get the coil packs back on 6 liter, swap over some of the accessories from the 5.3, and maybe bolt them all together. This could work. Try to make this transmission look good. I'm gonna put some heat paint on it because transmissions get hot. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of black on there, mist on one coat, make it a little tacky. Next coat go a little thicker, and then the third coat we make it nice and shiny. So let's get started with the first coat. First coat done. While I wait for that, I guess I can reassemble the coil pack brackets and assembly. Yeah. So we have our plate. The first thing to go on is going to be this wire harness, which I should probably clean a little bit. Stand by. Wiring harness sort of clean. Let's see if we can't bolt this on. So if I remember right, it sits something like so. Yeah, here we go. That clip goes in there. That one there. This hook deal, this one goes in here. Jabby thingy goes there. Oh yeah. Now we'll bolt down the coil packs, plug them in. And one set done. Now put these little plugs in, and it's ready to be reattached to the motor. That's going to sit right that. So we got the coil packs mounted on one side, plug wires hooked on, everything. Looks good. Let's do another coat of paint on the transmission. While coat number 2 dries, let's put together another coil pack setup thing. You know what I'm saying? What do we have in there? Fries? 2 sets of coil packs. So let's drop another coat of paint on this transmission. So next up, while that third and final coat of paint dries on the transmission, maybe we'll start working on the good old intake manifold. It's off the truck, it's ugly, very ugly. We'll see what we can do with it. I'm just gonna clean it up for now, but my plan overall, I'd make a nice cool cover for it because that's gonna stick out of the hood. The way plans are going right now, there's something else that's gonna be sticking out of the hood right next to it that's gonna make it look pretty cool. So I'm just gonna clean it quick. We'll throw it on the engine, maybe swap out the fuel rails. Brake cleaner cleans everything all the time. It's great. Okay, so the smart idea here would have been to take out the stock fuel rails first because they run along each side of that intake manifold and they are in the way. Let's do that first. 8mm. Stock injectors. Now that that's out of the way, I can clean it. Cleaning sucks. So as I'm cleaning off the intake manifold, I notice I have no intake manifold gaskets. So maybe we're just gonna tape off the ports and everything and hope for the best for now. Yeah, I'm gonna tape up the ports, hope for the best, and then just bolt on that whole intake manifold for now, just to get it to hopefully J's together. Hopefully we're not missing too much. Can't see it because it's clear tape, but it's taped. Tape that up, keep the crap out. So I'm not only missing an intake manifold, I'm also missing an intake bolt. I really hope Jay has one of those in stock or something that fits, because it's not good. Next up, taking these Aeromotive fuel rails off the 5.3 because they have nice big fat injectors that are gonna come in real handy when I start throwing some, never mind, no, I'll tell you later. It's a secret for now. Fuel rails are also gonna need custom brackets made. So for now, we're just gonna set that aside, maybe throw it in a box with all the other stuff and bring it down to Jay, and yeah, that's how it's gonna be. All right, so let's get some accessories off the 5.3, throw it on a 6.0. First up, take the tension off the belt and pull that serpentine belt out. Next thing, let's take those bolts out. Whoa. Take one down, pass it around. And we have accessories. Almost. Let me throw that belt on there. That's all good. Just for aesthetics, for now, put this nice new K&N filter on it. It's probably not gonna stay in the throttle body like that because I got some plans for this engine. Well, JF and Tyler got some plans for this engine at Kiwi Performance. We're gonna do some stuff. We'll throw this on just so it looks cool. The motor for the 240 is ready to go to Jay's and get torn apart again. So that's probably going to be it for tonight. I'm going to tidy up a little bit. I got to go inside. I've got to edit a bunch of these videos and vlogs. I'm trying to keep up to date and trying to keep stuff coming for you guys. But it's tough. It's hard. The show must go on, right? Right. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it sincerely. Subscribe. Share these videos, like them, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see, what your thoughts are, and we'll pick this up tomorrow. So peace out, stay happy.